My name is David Warrilow. I'm a lecturer at the Australian Institute of Advanced Studies in Screen and Media. Our Diploma of Screen and Media course covers a wide range of topics. When you think about how we share information in the modern world, most of the time we rely on audiovisual communication. People would much rather watch a video about a subject than read a manual. When we send information about what we're doing to other people around the world, friends, family, it's usually in the form of video. It is the way to communicate the most information most efficiently in the shortest amount of time. So in our course, our students are required to undergo a number of productions of different film and media types, from interviews, documentaries, narrative short films, music videos, infomercials, commercials, and other types of filmmaking and video making techniques, so that by the end of the course they've had a broad experience of working on any type of production that they can encounter in the professional world. It's a project-based course, in which case each film the student has to conceive of, develop, direct, shoot, edit and do the post-production on. And we do this a number of times throughout the course, because our intention by the end of the course is to have students that are self-sufficient and autonomous, that they can go out and get work and apply their skills to any video or production job that may be required of them. Our job and our role is to create graduate students that have the ability to tackle any project and have the confidence and experience to tackle any project that they may come up against in the real world. So by the end of our one-year course, the students have done about 30 minutes of production, finished production of their own. So that becomes then their portfolio of their skills and their experience within film production. We tend to encourage a very practical approach to our course. It's very hands-on, face-to-face. We know the students are competent by the end because they've demonstrated a number of times throughout the year on the different projects that they understand the concepts, they can apply the learning that they've undergone and produce the best possible content that they're capable of producing. So we like to see students who are keen and enthusiastic and passionate about film and video production, and we guarantee that when you come and do this course, you'll have a great time, you'll have an enormous amount of experience and variety of experience in production and post-production, and by the end of the course you will be a filmmaker, a competent, experienced, well-skilled filmmaker ready to ply your trade out in the real world, in the professional world.